Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. Hi, I'm Sir M and created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. So, for lesson number 10, we'll be dealing with identifying various ways physics enhances our daily quality of life across work productivity. Physics isn't just found in science labs. It also plays a big role in helping people work more efficiently and productively. Whether in offices, factories, farms, or construction sites, physics help improve tools, save energy, and make tasks easier and faster. Some everyday examples. Number one, machine and tools. Physics helps in designing simple machines like levers, pulleys, and inclined planes. These tools reduce the effort needed to do heavy work like lifting, moving, or cutting objects. Number two, electricity and energy use. Physics explains how electricity flows and is used. It helps create energy-efficient lighting, motors, and machines, reducing energy waste and lowering costs. Number three, workspaces and ergonomics. Physics principles help design chairs, desks, and equipment that reduce strain and increase comfort, so workers can focus better and avoid injuries. Number four, transportation and logistics. Trucks, trains, and conveyor belts all follow the laws of motion and force. Physics help optimize routes, speeds, and energy use, making deliveries and production faster and cheaper. Number five, communication technology. Thanks to physics, we use computers, Wi-Fi, phones, and video calls that help people work remotely and collaborate easily, saving time and increasing productivity. Number six, robotics and automation. In factories, physics helps engineers design robots and automated machines that can do repetitive tasks quickly and accurately, allowing workers to focus on more skilled tasks. Number seven, data storage and electronics. P6 has led to the invention of hard drives, flash memory, and sensors, which are essential for storing, processing, and accessing information quickly in today's digital workplaces. So, whether you're in an office, farm, or factory, P6 help make work more productive and efficient, improving our lives every day. P6 helps people do more work with less effort, use machines and technology smartly, communicate and move things faster, work comfortably and safely. More ways P6 helps people work smarter and faster. P6 isn't just useful, it's essential in modern workplaces, from farming to tech companies. P6 help create better tools, increase speed, and reduce physical effort while keeping energy costs low. Number 8, construction and structural design. Buildings, bridges, and workspaces are made stronger and safer using physics. Engineers calculate how forces like gravity, Tension and compression affect materials so they can design structures that last long and protect workers. Number 9, manufacturing and assembly lines. In factories, machines are built using physics to control speed, force, and timing. Conveyor belts, press machines, and cutting tools use mechanical energy to complete tasks faster than humans alone. Number 10, agriculture and farm technology. P6 is applied in irrigation systems, harvesters, greenhouse controls, and even drone spraying. These tools use pressure, motion, and energy transfer principles to help farmers grow more foods with less effort. Number 11, climate control in workspaces. Air conditioners, fans, and ventilation systems in offices or factories rely on thermodynamics to control temperature and airflow, helping workers stay focused and comfortable. Number 12, sound and noise control. Physics help in designing quiet engines, soundproof rooms, and noise-reducing equipment so workers in busy or noisy areas can stay productive without harming their hearing. Number 13, lighting and optics in the workplace. The design of efficient lighting systems and even laser tools used in cutting or alignments are based on optics, a branch of physics that deals with how light behaves, and good light improves focus and reduces eye strain. Number 14, lifting and transporting loads. Cranes, forklifts, and hand trucks use physics like the principles of levers and pulleys to move heavy objects safely with less human effort. Physics helps us turn ideas into action by making work faster through automation and machines, safer through strong design and ergonomics, smarter by reducing waste and maximizing energy use, easier with better tools and systems. By understanding physics, we can continue to innovate in workplaces, making jobs more efficient and improving the quality of life for everyone. So MCQ will be number 1. What simple machines are designed using physics to reduce effort in lifting or moving objects? Letter A, gears and sensors. Letter B, levers, pulleys, and inclined planes. Letter C, wheels and gears only. Letter D, lenses and mirrors. Number 2, how does physics contribute to reducing electricity costs in workplaces? Letter A, by limiting computer use. Letter B, by designing energy-efficient lighting and motors. Letter C, by switching up lights manually. Letter D, by using solar flares. Number 3, why is ergonomics important in workplace design? Letter A, it makes offices more colorful. Letter B, it increases the height of desks. Letter C, it reduces strain and injury through proper equipment design. Letter D, it teaches workers how to type faster. Number 4, which law of physics helps in optimizing transport systems like conveyor belts and trucks? Letter A, law of conservation of mass. Letter B, Newton's laws of motion. Letter C, law of reflection. Letter D, Pascal's principle. Number 5, how does physics improve communication in workplaces? Letter A, through mirrors and lenses. Letter B, through better grammar and vocabulary. Letter C, by allowing the use of Wi-Fi, phones, and video calls. Letter D, by limiting sound levels. Number 6, in what way does robotics in factories improve productivity using physics? Letter A, it teaches robots to cook. Letter B, it allows robots to speak different languages. Letter C, it enables repetitive tasks using mechanical motion and control. Letter D, it replaces all humans. Number 7, which of the following depends on physics for fast data storage and processing? Letter A, whiteboards and folders. Letter B, flash drive, sensors, and memory cards. Letter C, staplers and pens. Letter D, chairs and tables. Number 8, how does physics help in construction and structural design? Letter A, by choosing colorful paints. Letter B, by calculating forces on materials to make structures strong and safe. Letter C, by testing furniture comfort. Letter D, by removing windows. Number 9, what physics concepts is used in farm irrigation and greenhouse systems? Letter A, sound waves and reflection. Letter B, nuclear energy. Letter C, pressure, energy transfer, and motion. Letter D, thermal expansion. Number 10, why are climate control systems important in workspaces? A, to store cold drinks. Letter B, to reduce internet speed. Letter C, to manage temperature and airflow using thermodynamics. Letter D, to make rooms look futuristic. Number 11, what does noise and control in factories or spaces rely on? Letter A, Newton's third law. Letter B, optics and magnetism. Letter C, sound waves, behavior, and absorption. Letter D, color reflection. Number 12, how does lighting design in offices use physics to improve productivity? A, by making rooms brighter using mirrors. Letter B, by creating patterns on the ceiling. Letter C, through the use of optics and energy-efficient bulbs. Letter D, through solar eclipse simulation. Number 13, which machines make it easier to lift or transport heavy loads in workspaces? Letter A, washing machines. Letter B, televisions. Letter C, cranes, forklifts, and hand trucks. Letter D, toasters and kettles. Number 14, what kind of tools in factories use controlled force, speed, and timing based on physics? Letter A, conveyor belts and press machines. Letter B, coffee makers and microwaves. Letter C, vacuum cleaners and irons. Letter D, headphones and loudspeakers. Number 15, what is physics? Why is physics essential in increasing work productivity? Letter A, it reduces vacation time. Letter B, it makes jobs more colorful. Letter C, it allows smart design of tools, machines, and systems. Letter D, it keeps workers from making mistakes. Answer key for lesson number 10, proceed to lesson 11. Answer key for lesson 9, 1 to 10. And of course, 11 to 15. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye!